Charlie, you look like you just got down, just came out of it's like white with like the colorful hair.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am back once again with a look that is not a cut crease. It's like out of nowhere y'all started hating cut creases. I'm like, why y'all didn't just tell me that sooner? Like we could have been, you know, learning how to blend without cutting our crease. But I achieved this look with only two brushes, so you guys can definitely recreate this look. Really simple, really easy. So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch to see how you can get your colors this vibrant and blended with only two brushes. This tutorial is going to be really quick and simple. No more cut creases. I'm trying to stay away from those for a minute, not too long. So I primed my eyelid, or I'm going to be priming my eyelid with my Juvia's Place concealer in a number 13. When I get ready to record my story time after this, y'all, I'm at Desi Banks last night, and I just can't stop thinking about it. First of all, I didn't even know I was gonna be able to like actually see him and take pictures with him, because I didn't buy a VIP ticket. When we went in, they took our tickets from us, so like they didn't have proof of who had what ticket. They were like, oh, we're doing pictures for $10. Yeah, $10.
Ain't got nothing to say. She at the store, no okay. We in the motherfucker, we lit, and we turned up in this bitch.
He had some other guy with him, and that man was all over me, and I was just like, who is this man? But put the little clip right here so y'all can see. Thank you.
Uh-oh, you gonna make a nigga jealous. Let me do that. Oh, take that one. Ooh,
it's a video.
That's a video. Don't we look cute? Nigga. Ooh, y'all man.
And that man was funny though. He had us dying for like a good 20 minutes straight. After we blend all of that in, this is my 35B palette, and I'm grabbing this dark purple. And I thought he was like going crazy. It was just so weird because I never really thought he was attractive, but he looks so much better in person. Like, I'm shocked I can even like talk right now because I was screaming so loud, like I was at a whole concert or something. And that person like a little kid going crazy over mom's behavior all over again. But y'all, the way he looked at me when he saw me, I was just like, okay, so what hotel y'all staying in? Because I'm just playing, y'all. Let me stop. So real quick, I'm gonna dip into the paint palette, and I'm taking blue, or royal blue rather, and packing that right beside the purple. And I don't know if y'all have met him before, but he's actually really funny in person. Like, I was like, this man better be as funny in person as he is behind his camera, and he really is. And it's natural. Like, he was really interacting with the crowd and stuff too. So that's how you know it wasn't like staged or like practiced, because he was interacting with us. Like, he was joking with us, and he didn't know who was gonna be there or like who was gonna look like or nothing. So it wasn't like he practiced what to say, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, he's really funny. So if he come to y'all city, y'all definitely should go see him. But I'm going back into the 35B and taking this color right here. And I'm using the same brush for all three of these colors because they all blend together anyway, so yeah. I didn't take the purple up because I'm going to go back and blend it with some other colors, as you guys can see on this eye. But I hope I'm not too dark and I'm not too light, because right now this lighting look a little off, but I don't know. So now I am taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking this green first right here, and then I'm going to take this neon green right here. I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but y'all know I'm gonna go back and blend it. Y'all know I have to go ahead and pack on my color and get my pigmentation first, and then we're gonna go back and blend. Yeah, I'm just going back and forth between the colors and kind of taking them up a little bit. So now I'm using a little turquoise color. And this is all the same brush. Okay, so we're gonna go back to this side over here, but now I'm gonna take an Improv 6 actually. So 2 brushes, and I'm gonna grab some pink. You can use any pink eyeshadow you got from any palette, but I just used the one from the paint palette. So I'm gonna add some more purple. I'm gonna bring it up some first, actually. I don't know why I look a little patchy like that. Like it's not matte or something. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of yellow to blend that out. It's gonna kind of give me a very slight orange color. For some reason on this eye, the purple is not letting me be great. It does not want to blend. It's a little patchy. Not sure why, because this side turned out perfect. That is as blended as I got it. I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'm using the Falsify lashes in the style Aisha. Do I have these on the right eye? Like, did this lash look? So I wish I hadn't did this dark color, the black in the waterline. I should have just added lashes and been done, because that would have been so much cuter. But I'm trying to see. I'm gonna have to just do it because I can't take this off. So I'm gonna just do some on this side, but I'm not gonna make it as dark. For like the inner corner, I use this glitter from Glow Glitters in the style or the color or the shade Carnival. Highlighter today is coming from Fearless Faces in the shade Sugar Rush. So I'm sorry if my lighting's a little off. I really be fighting with this ring light. I don't know what it is.
What's up, girl?
Hey,
What
I need to screen record this.
Shawty, you look like you just got down, just came out of a horse ride. What's the horse? The doll horse, the colorful doll horse. It's like white with like the colorful hair with the horn on his head.
Unicorn.
The unicorn. Just look at that.
Wow.
It's you a human unicorn right now.
Remember me from last night? I was at the show in Birmingham.
Oh, you was at the show?
No, you forgot already.
Girl, look, I done saw so many people from that. How you enjoy it? Tell them people you seen me live on stage. Tell them it's a different ball game.
It is, y'all. This man funny. This man funny. For real.
I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Hey, that's what's up. Hey, well, you don't look like a unicorn no more. You look like yourself.
Wow, thanks.
they pin a unicorn emoji. See, look, you look just like it.
So I got a YouTube channel, so that's why.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. I'm just saying that's the first thing that came to my mind. Cause you didn't look like that last night.
Yeah, I ain't had a color on last night.
See, that's what I'm saying. But okay, hey, I appreciate it. Keep rocking with me, girl.
All right, bye.
Go check out the episode now.
All right, I will.
All right. Right now.
Alright, you guys, so we are done with today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed today's look, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.